Let's learn Good to Go. It's choreographed by Scott Blevins. It is a 32 count 4-wall intermediate level line dance with restarts on wall 5 after 16 counts and wall 6 after 24 counts. I'm going to turn around and break down the dance section by section using steps and counts. We'll then practice the front wall all the way through with steps and counts, talk about the restart and the ending, and then we're going to go through and do 7 walls of the dance so that you know how it flows, so you can hopefully dance this on a dance floor near you. So let's turn around and learn Good to Go. Section 1, your weight's going to start on your left foot. We're going to quickly step our right foot to the right side and point your left toe to the left side. You're now going to make a quarter turn over your left shoulder, stepping down onto your left foot to face 9 o'clock. We're going to make a half turn over our left shoulder, stepping back with our right foot to face 3 o'clock. You're going to quickly make a half turn over your left shoulder, stepping forward with your left foot to face 9 o'clock, and then step forward with your right. We're now going to rock forward onto the ball of our left foot, and as we do it, we're going to push our hip forward. You're now going to recover back onto your right, and as you recover, you're going to push both hips back, dropping your left heel and slightly lifting your toes up. You're now going to step back with your left foot. You're going to make a quarter turn over your right shoulder, stepping your right foot to the right side to face 12 o'clock, and then cross your left over your right. So let's try that with some counts, doing your step to the right, and 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Section 2, we're going to step our right foot to the right side, quickly touch your left toe next to your right, and then make a quarter turn over your left shoulder, stepping forward with your left foot to face 9 o'clock. We're now going to step forward with our right foot. You're going to do a half pivot over your left shoulder, putting your weight onto your left foot to face 3 o'clock, and then you're going to turn on the ball of your left foot as you lift your right knee up, making your right foot come to your left knee. You're going to make that quarter turn over your left shoulder to face 12 o'clock. We're now going to cross rock our right over our left, recover back onto your left foot and step your right foot to the right side. We're now going to quickly step our left next to our right, point your right toe to the right side, touch your right next to your left, and then point your right toe to the right side. So let's try that with some counts. We just did our cross. You're going to do your side touch quarter. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. Section 3, we're going to quickly hitch our right knee up. You're going to cross your right over your left, and you're going to unwind a half turn over your left shoulder to face 6 o'clock, keeping your weight on your right foot. You're now going to bump your hip to the left, bump your hip to the right, bump your hip to the left. We're now going to do a syncopated jazz box, so we're going to cross our right over our left, step back with your left, step your right to the right side, and then cross your left over your right. We're now going to do a big step to the right, dragging your left toe into your right, and then cross your left over your right, and you'll still be facing 6 o'clock. So let's try that with some counts. We would have just done our point, touch, point. So you're going to do your hitch. And 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6, and 7, 8. Section 4, in our final section of the dance, we're going to do toe heel swivels. So the basic footwork without the swivel would be similar to a toe heel step. So you're going to bring your right toe in and next to your left, turning your right knee in, slightly place your right heel forward, and then step your right foot slightly over your left. You're going to repeat that with your left. So you're going to touch your left toe next to your right, turning that knee in, place your left heel slightly forward, and then step your left foot forward and slightly over your right. Now, if you want to do it with the turns, when you bring your toe in, you're going to have your heel swivel in, out with your heel. Same thing with the left. When we bring our toe in, you're going to swivel your toe, your heel in, out, step. So it's toe, heel, step, toe, heel, step. So you can just add those little bit of swivels as you do those toe, heel steps. If you want to, that's what's written on the step sheet, but the practice will help. Doing it more frequently will get you to do those kind of swivels as you're doing your toes. You want to remember, when your toe comes in, your opposite heel is also going to come in. When your heel goes out, your other heel will also go out. That might be a little bit helpful. From here, we just stepped forward with our left foot. We're gonna rock forward with our right foot, recover back onto our left, and you're gonna make a half turn over your right shoulder, stepping forward with your right foot to face 12 o'clock. We're now going to do a 3/4 spiral. So we're gonna step forward with our left foot. You're gonna turn over your right shoulder, turning on the ball of your left foot and having your right foot slightly over your left into a point. So your right toe should still be kind of attached to the ground, slightly over your left in a point. This will help you go into the next wall when you would step your right foot to the side and point. And that is the end of the dance. So now let's try that with some counts. Weight is on your left. We just crossed over our right. You're facing 6 o'clock. You're going to do your toe heel swivels. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7, 8, and then you would start over with your and 1. So now let's face the front. We're going to do it one time through with steps, one time through with counts. Weight is on your left. You're going to do your quick step to the right. So it's side point, quarter, half, half step, rock, push back, behind, quarter, cross, side touch, quarter, step, half, quarter, lift, rock, cross, rock, recover, side, ball, point, touch, point, hitch, cross, half, unwind, hips, left, left, cross, back, side, cross, drag with a cross, toe, heel, step, rock, recover, half, 3/4 spiral, ready to start over. So let's try that with some counts. Weight is on your left. You're quickly stepping to the right. And 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. And 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6 and 7, 8. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7, 8. And then you're ready to start over again. When there are those 2 whole counts in a row, such as the unwind, and when you're doing that drag as well as your spiral, you want to drag out those counts. It will be helpful to hit the beats in the music if you kind of make those a little bit longer. So your drag should kind of feel a little bit long and your crossover will feel quicker than that drag step. And the same thing with your spiral. Your step in as you start your turn will be longer, and as you finish it, it will feel quicker. That will be helpful to keep rhythm with the music. So now let's talk about the restarts. The restarts are going to happen right in a row. So walls 5 and 6, you'll have your restarts. Wall 5 is the first time we come back to the 12 o'clock wall. We're going to dance the first 16 counts, which will return us to 12 o'clock. At that point, you'll dance wall 6, which will be 24 counts, which will have you restart to the back wall or 6 o'clock, and then you'll dance the rest of the dance through until the ending. So let's do the restart that would happen on wall 5. We're going to dance those 16 counts. We would have just finished our spiral, so our right toe would be slightly over our left. You're going to quickly step your right foot to the right side, so it's side point, quarter, half, half step, rock with a push and behind, quarter, cross, side touch, quarter, step, half, quarter, lift, cross, rock, side, ball, point, touch, point. At this point right here, you will start wall 6 because we're starting the dance over again, and you're going to dance 24 counts, which will restart you to 6 o'clock or your back facing wall. So let's dance those 24 counts. We just ended with our point. You're going to quickly step your right foot to the right side and point your left toe to the left. So it's side point, quarter, half, half step, rock with a push, behind, quarter, cross, side touch, quarter, step, half, quarter, lift, cross, rock, side, ball, point, touch, point, hitch, cross, half, unwind, bump, left, right, left. Now you're going to do your syncopated jazz box with your big step and cross, and that will be where you restart the dance. So it'd be cross, back, side, cross, drag, cross. And right here, you will restart the dance to do wall 7, facing the back wall, stepping your right foot to the right side and pointing your left to the left side. Then after that, you'll dance all the way through without worrying about anything extra until the very end of the dance. So now let's talk about the ending. Your final wall will be a 3 o'clock facing wall. We're going to dance the first 14 and counts. you will be turning to the front on 15. So let's dance up to that point, and then we'll talk about how to make it turn to 12 o'clock. So we would have just finished our spiral. Weights on your left, your right toe slightly crossed over your left. We're stepping our right foot to the side, so it's side point, quarter, half, half step, rock, push, behind, quarter, cross, side touch, quarter, step, half, quarter, lift. Right here, you're going to do your rock recover with our cross rock, so cross rock. And as you recover, you're gonna kind of turn towards 12 o'clock. So you're gonna recover back onto that left foot and then point your right toe to the right side. And that will be your ending. Normally we would have done our cross rock side. So instead of stepping to the side, you're gonna do cross rock quarter point. And that will be how you end the dance. So now let's go around. On the front and back walls, I'm going to do steps. Side walls, I'm going to do counts. We're going to do 7 walls of the dance so that you can practice the transitions between all the restarts. Weight is on your left. We're starting with our step to the right. So side point, quarter, half, half step. Rock with a push, behind, quarter, cross. Side touch, quarter, step, half, quarter, lift. Cross, rock, side, ball, point, touch, point, hitch, cross, half unwind, bump, left, right, left, cross, back, side, cross, side, drag with a cross. Toe, heel, step, rock, recover, half in your 3/4 spiral, and 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8, 1, and 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6, and 7, and 8, and 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6, and 7, 8, 1, and 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6, 7, 8, step, point, quarter, half, half step, rock with a push, behind, quarter, cross, side touch, quarter, step, half, quarter, lift, cross, rock, side, ball, point, touch, point, hitch, cross, half unwind, bump, left, right, left, cross, back, side, cross, side, drag with a cross, toe, heel, step, rock, recover, half, 3/4 spiral, and 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8, 1, and 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6, and 7, and 8, and 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6, and 7, 8, 1, and 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6, 7, 8. Right here, we're going to do 16 counts. Step, point, quarter, half, half step. Push and recover with your behind side cross. Side touch, quarter, step, half, quarter, lift. Cross, rock, side, ball, point, touch, point, restart. Step, point, quarter, half, half step. Rock with a push, behind, quarter, cross. Side touch, quarter, step, half, quarter, lift. Cross, rock, side, ball, point, touch, point, hitch, cross, half unwind, bump, left, right, left, cross, back, side, cross, side, drag with a cross, restart, step, point, quarter, half, half step, rock with a push, behind, quarter, cross, side, touch, quarter, step, half, quarter, lift, cross, rock, side, ball, point, touch, point, hitch, cross, half unwind, bump, left, right, left, your jazz box, cross, back, side, cross, side, drag with a cross. Toe, heel, step, rock, recover, half in your 3/4 spiral, and then you'll dance all the way through until the end of the song and do that quarter turn to the front. So now that you've learned it with the tutorial, you can use the timestamp in the video description below to skip to the rear demo so you can practice as much as you would like, so you can hopefully go out and dance this on a dance floor near you. I hope this helped you learn. Good to go. If you have any questions, let me know. Thanks, guys.
Got a lot get it.